Marry the toilet paper again. Lick it. Doesn't taste good?
It's harsh.
It's harsh?
It's harsh and smelly.
Sarah. Sarah.
Oh man.
Oh God. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's gonna stay like that.
I'm so smart.
You are so smart. Sarah, you're the smartest person in the world. Oh my God. I'll show you.
Not like the toilet paper, Sarah.
Sarah, where do you go to school? Say it again.
The speech together.
Who's your teacher?
No.
Who's your other teacher? Who's the math teacher? Who's the science teacher? Who teaches English? Do you know who that is?
I need to pee.
Okay, so go pee.
Okay. 11.